So my original plan was, I bought this max toe gauge here, and it comes with obviously the probe. This is a type K, and then it comes with this little extension if you need it. Well, you have to use it actually, because this plugs into there, right there, see? And this little 3-pin, which is only really 2 wires, so 2-pin, goes in to the back of there. Cool. And this one here is hardwired to, AC, lighting, things like that. So my original plan was just to cut this here, cut this one here, and then just splice these ends onto the existing wiring in the Foretravel. But I'm getting mixed signals on if this is special wire or not. We've got terms like iron constantine and chrome aluminal, type K, type J. Is this really such a special wire? These two wires, are they special where I can't just use copper? It seems that's the case, but then I've read that it's not. And like I mentioned in the forum, that I did talk to a guy at Maxtow, and he said, no, you can use regular old wire to extend this. So I don't know. He might not know what he's talking about. So I didn't want to type all that. Sometimes I record videos because I don't want to have to type all that. And sometimes the visual is better. So that's where I'm at. Thanks.